Hello friends, very good evening. Welcome back to my YouTube channel, Talent Traders. I welcome you all to my channel. And this video, we are going to discuss about our Google Sheet new update for the month as well as the new stocks, new F&O stocks where it is launched by yesterday. That is also we have updated on our Google Sheet, and you can utilize for weekly, monthly, and intraday positional. And all the newly added 45, 46 F&O stocks also be there in this list. And the same concept which you are using weekly, monthly, positional option strategies based on our advanced option strategy concepts of stock options mainly, and that I'm going to discuss in this video. And if you are new to my channel, kindly subscribe the channel. And recently NFO category, so there is a 45 or 46 stocks where it be added in NSE F&O category. So maybe we have a lot of liquidity, and we will be getting many stocks which is going to um, give you more possibilities to trade in our future and option stocks. Okay, so we have updated the Google Sheet for the newly added stocks, which you are 45 F&O stocks, I think. So almost 45 stocks which you are looking for. The main stocks is like Adani Total Gas, Bank of India. So many stocks which is be added, and that particular stocks also we have added here. Like Angel One also added in futures, and BSE Limited. So many things which is added in future category. Previously around 178, 79 stocks will be the list, but right now so we have a 223 overall. So we have all the stocks. Some of the stocks is currently not showing our values. It's a weekly positional as well as monthly positional and intraday. Everything is updated. Some positionals showing a zero because of the lack of liquidity. So you know well. So OAL 490, it is saying 78. Maybe it is not a liquid one. And Prestige, Loda, Adani Green, these are all the newly added. So when you see Bank India, so something like which you can Scient. So these are all the newly added. And if it is started with a volume, and we will be finding those stocks and options based on the concept which you are using, and everything will be added here in monthly positional. So which is added, and monthly IV sheet that is going to be updated tomorrow. So you can access from there the link which I have already provided. Those who are finished my strategies. And here we have a lot of stocks. Here also some stocks having zero. For example, Loda 1260. 1260 call option. Maybe that premium is 84. It is showing you 1260 call option. It is not yet started. Okay. That is the liquidity issue. There is no premium where traded, and it is like a settlement price, something which is happening. Maybe by tomorrow. That means Monday if the market open, while it will be settled with the current market price. And let me check the future price, and it is added in the future. Let me check the 26th December future. The price of the stock, because it was started by yesterday only. Okay, so the closing price is 1260 that close, and based on the close, we are planning for a strike price, and that strike price is currently not at active. Maybe after the strike prices are active, so we will be getting the price updated here. And also the November is completed already. On previous videos we are discussing about how many stocks which generated the positional entry based on the concept. And I think in the first 2 weeks, we have a maximum number of put side stocks where it has reached the maximum levels. And now some of this closing weeks, we find a call side, but mostly we are not trying for an opportunities in the last week or the expiry week. But our update, which we are done, what is the new update? 46 F&O stocks where it is added, and intraday, so you can also check, and some of the same stocks would be showing you zero. The reason is IRB also added, IRB infra, right? So I think it was previously IRB infra. Yeah, previously the stock which I have seen, that was in futures, but after that they removed it, and now it is newly added again. So that would be good stocks having good volatile, and 54 rupees is the current price. But I seen this stock it's trading huge price, and I think it dropped. Yeah, so almost 78, now it is 50, and this is a monthly chart. Okay, where it is started 25 and it maximum move to 78. So even before 4 years back, I think 230 plus stocks where it is in F&O category. After that, the physical delivery started by 2020-21 and many stocks would be removed. And now again, we have a lot of future and option stocks, almost 220 plus. So we will be able to get more opportunity based on our concept. Even we want to find the liquidity, so don't want to try for a newly added future stocks because we don't see the liquidity is there or not. Maybe while checking the stocks you have to check the liquidity is there by using a depth of the market, depth of the particular option chain or particular options. While if it is having a good volume and a liquidity, then you can also track that newly added stocks. Mostly it's showing a zero the because of it is not yet active way. That reason. So as per our advanced option strategy concept, the stock which we are selected here, everything would be added now. So these are all the strike price and which we are going to track for next contract, that is a December contract, which is going to start from 2nd of December. So our monthly positional levels also ready and weekly positional same like a monthly one because of the first week both are same. So that is also ready. And intraday it's going to change on everyday basis. Now we have a more future and option stocks. There is a chances for getting a fresh breakout opportunity. So based on our concept, some of the stocks like a DMart and JSL are showing you 100. That means it doesn't have a liquidity. And you can see 1260 of call though around 58.2. That is also not having much more liquidity. So that's why it is showing you 100% at this moment. So we are finding a lot of stocks newly added in our category in the future category. So CG Power and VBL, JSL, CESC. So these are all the newly added, but our data is finally ready for all the F1 stocks where it is updated here, and you will be getting from Monday onwards. You will be getting all the stocks updated, and before taking a newly added, because we know what are the stocks are quite liquid and volumeable that we are followed some 180 stocks. We have already filtered with some condition, but newly added stocks we don't know the liquidity and we have to track at least a week's time. So then you need to find out whether the liquid or not. So I hope you understood that Google Sheet and for advanced option strategy month of December is ready right now. So you can also track from the concepts. From that you can select, but our monthly IV sheet I'm just going to update from tomorrow. And also, one more important updates, we have started a new firm which Logi FinTech for purely doing the mutual fund as a AMFI registered distributor. We have started as a company. So it is going to be giving you better services on mutual funds. If you have any questions or uh, doubts also, you just same number, you can WhatsApp and message me. Thank you so much. Thanks for being on support. Thank you for subscribing the channel. Thank you so much.